Salute to all fans of progressive trading. FixProfit is here. This is a channel where I, a trader with decades of experience, share useful thoughts and tools. You can pick up my trusted AI assistant right now for free. The link is in the description. This robot reads the market quickly and gives detailed reports and recommendations. In a month it will be available only for a fee. Hurry up. And in order not to miss new useful content, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Like and comment, our team really appreciates your feedback. So, I got a prediction from the robot for the 5-minute expiry time. Buy, currency pair pound, dollar. I enter the market on the 2-minute time frame, keeping in mind the information on indicators on the 5-minute time frame. The reason I hit the lower key is that the market is feeling overbought right now. The stochastic is showing this. I want to catch the local downward momentum that might work in these 2 minutes, after which price will really rush upward, pushing off the support zone. The data update frequency in the robot is 1 minute. Attention, friends, together with the free bot at the link in the description, you will get access to the VIP chat with signals and market analysis from me. In this chat you will learn technical analysis. I personally conduct trading sessions in VIP chat and help with training of all participants. But this is not all bonuses. You will also get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. Let's get real for a second, trading isn't a Disney movie. It's not a smooth ride with magic dust and guaranteed happy endings. It's more like the Matrix. You're dropped into a system, and you've got to learn the rules, decode the patterns, and move faster than everyone else. And in this world, Web3 is the red pill. But before we dive into the rabbit hole of decentralized finance and next-gen trading, let's rewind and talk about something every trader, whether you're Neo or just some guy holding $100 and a dream, absolutely must master: money management. In the meantime, I closed the trade in the plus side. Accurate data from the robot and my observation and logic worked. I will gradually increase the investment amount. Today I invest amounts from $800 to $1,400. Active buying is the new signal for the 5-minute stretch. I entered the 2-minute trade by pressing the green button because I see a real gradual buildup of strength by the bulls, and the price just reversed after the market felt oversold. Why money management is your real superpower. Every battle is won before it's ever fought. Sun Tzu said that, and it's especially true in trading. If you're going all in on a trade with your whole deposit, you're not trading. You're gambling. That's not strategy, that's desperation dressed up as hope. Smart traders live by a golden rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. Why? Because trading is about surviving long enough to win. If your deposit is $100 and you risk $1, even if you lose 10 times in a row, you're still in the game. That's what matters. Now, let's get spicy. The bigger your deposit, the bigger your potential reward. If you're working with $100, your trade gives you 80 cents profit on an 80% payout. But if you're working with $1,000, that same strategy nets you $8 per trade. Multiply that over time, and you'll see the difference between hobby money and career-level gains. So, yes, I always recommend depositing the maximum amount you're comfortable with to scale your progress. Now, what happens when we layer Web3 into the trading world? Think of traditional trading as Steve Rogers before the serum: disciplined, determined, but limited. Web3 is the super serum. It transforms the game. You're no longer just reacting to the market, you're interacting with it on a whole new level. Web3 technology enables true decentralization, faster settlement, transparency, and something that every trader dreams of: access to smarter, programmable financial products. Imagine if every trade you placed had code written behind it to adapt, learn, and even self-optimize. Sounds like Tony Stark's AI, right? That's because it basically is. Meanwhile, I successfully closed the second trade and entered the third trade, on the upside. I see that the bulls are acting quite confidently and can be as strong on the 2-minute section as on the 5-minute section. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The terms are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on the trading topic below this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. DeFi, smart contracts and options, a power combo. DeFi decentralized finance built on Web3 is the new Wall Street, but without the suits, the gatekeepers, or the weekend closures. With smart contracts, we're entering a world where financial products aren't just services, they're self-executing agreements that live on the blockchain. Now, options traders, especially those focusing on currency pairs, can tap into on-chain data, real-time liquidity, and trustless execution. The rules are encoded, visible, and immutable. Look, I know how overwhelming all of this can sound. You're here to make money, not decode crypto babble or learn how to write code. That's where my smart AI assistant steps in. This tool is designed to monitor chart patterns, indicator signals, and momentum shifts, the stuff pros analyze for hours, and give you a shortcut. Think of it as having a mini Warren Buffett and Sherlock Holmes sitting next to you, whispering advice in real time, except cooler, faster, and a lot more available. And yes, it's totally free to try, link in the description. It's built to make your life easier, not more complicated. No strings, just real value. In the meantime, I've gotten plus again and am making a move towards the final trade. Active buying is the robot signal for the 5-minute time frame. I pressed the red button on the 2-minute time frame because I saw an overbought moment and an increase in sellers' volume. This is a localized process that I want to take advantage of before the price rises again. I've seen lives change, yours could be next. I've personally known people who walked away from 9-5s, tired of the endless grind, and found success through disciplined, focused trading, especially with tools like this one helping them sharpen their strategy. But here's the truth they won't tell you on Instagram. It takes time. That's normal. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Elon Musk got laughed out of boardrooms. Walt Disney was told he lacked imagination. And yet, look where they ended up. Success isn't about never failing. It's about showing up after you fail. Again, and again, until one day, the market moves, your analysis clicks, and you realize, I've got this. Now, let's not sugarcoat things. Trading is risk. Just like launching a startup, building a business, or investing in a product. You're putting your money into a system that you don't fully control. And that's okay, because every meaningful reward carries risk. What you can control is how you prepare, how you study, how you manage your money, and how you use technology to your advantage. Always review your trades. Keep a trading journal. Note why you entered, what you saw, what indicators confirmed your move, and what happened. You'll start to notice patterns, not in the market, but in yourself. So, I've completed my work. 4 successful trades and $3,198 of profit in total. It was a great teamwork with the bot. Get it for free at the link in the description and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.